Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool text effect in Photoshop. First, go to File and create a new document. Click the color picker and choose the light green color. And click OK. Click on the preset details and give it name you like. And just copy these settings below it. And click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And click OK. Just copy these settings below it. Close the character, and click on your document and type out your text. Go to the Layer panel. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Select the Move tool. And move the text. Reduce the opacity of text layer to 60%. Select the background layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the green leaves. Let's resize and reposition it so that some leaves are coming out of the letter. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Go to the Layer panel. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Select the Pen tool and choose the path. Make sure the overlapping shapes is chosen. And create a path around each leaf that is coming out of the letter. But don't start from the edge, start from inside the letter to make it easier for us to create the shadow later on. When you finish, press Ctrl Enter to new selection. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the green leaves layer. Press and hold Ctrl while clicking on the text layer thumbnail. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Move the text layer below green leaves copy. Set the opacity back to 100%. And reduce the fill of text layer to 0%. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the inner shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Select the top layer. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Drop Shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Right-click on the Indicates Layer Effects and choose Create Layer. And click OK. Select the green leaves shadow layer. Press and hold Ctrl while clicking on the text layer thumbnail. Inverse selection, go to Select and choose the inverse. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. And this is the result.